meron tayo ngayong try. Meron tayong DJI Neo 2. Ayan. Try natin siya na i-control ng ating phone. Ang una, kailangan natin mag-download ng DJI sa ating phone. Ayan. And then i-connect natin siya sa ating phone. Open na natin yung ating phone, yung ating drone. Okay. Okay. Once na na-open na natin yung ating drone, dito sa kanyang screen, meron ditong mga option how to connect your drone. Start lang natin ang recording ng ating makikita natin yung drone na ay connected na. So, connect.
With your lock, can you do this?
Oh yes.
Okay, connected na tayo.
Okay, now I can level up.
Maraming option dito na pag kapalipad.
Lighter, punching fire.
Yeah. May mga nakalagay na
Let
dyan.
me see.
Drone,
No, you don't.
follow, selfie shot, circle, rocket,
No, you don't.
dolly, and master shot. Master shot, yan yung lahat ng yung limang nauna ay i-shot niya. Then, para makontrol natin using phone, punta sa manual.
Sometimes I
And
go
then,
you.
mag-start na tayo ng record. Record. Okay. Press natin
Take
yung
off.
take off.
Let me see.
Home point
Then,
updated.
ayan. Take off na siya. Tapos, meron dito home point update. Ayan. Okay. So, para sa inyo dito. From the other side. Up. Forward and backward. Up natin. Up. Down na.
Oh my
Okay.
god, everybody died.
Ayan.
You know, it's really nice now.
Forward. By down. Down. Okay. Move to the right. Hindi natin makita kung nasaan na. Ayan. Okay. Move to the right. To the right. To the right. Up. Forward. Hindi natin makita. Ayaw niya ng Then, forward natin. Forward. Ayan. Kasi hindi natin siya makontrol. Kasi merong stockhead na natamaan. Ayan. Then, kapag mag-ano naman tayo,
It's not
okay.
your fault.
Okay. Forward. Forward. Okay. Okay. Dito na siya. Okay. Hold natin yung land kapag ipapalanding na natin siya. Pero dapat nandito sa malapit sa
Landing.
ilalam. Okay. Land. Okay.
Pay attention to flight safety. Home point updated. Landing.